This is a big day today. It's also kind of a different kind of new employee orientation since this is my second day on the job. So, thank you. Appreciate that. My name's Corey Turner. I'm the CEO of Methodist Jennie Edmundson Behavioral Health. In fact, like I said, this is my second day, so it's a bit of a welcome for all of us and many of the staff that came online yesterday as well. So I'm trying to ramp up as quickly as possible. I've spent much of my career in behavioral health, most recently with the state of Iowa, working directly in and overseeing treatment facilities and hospitals. I'm incredibly excited to begin this work with this amazing team and watch as this collaboration unfolds. I remember when the project originated, and I even used to run past the construction site while traveling for work in my other role. And now to see it take shape, knowing the impact it will have, is both humbling for me, but I'm sure for all of you that were involved from the very beginning. It is truly something to be proud of, as it will deeply benefit the surrounding community in Council Bluffs and Omaha, let alone the entirety of Iowa and Nebraska. It's your collaborative vision and collective spirit that made this possible. This joint venture will greatly improve access to behavioral health care for those in need, and our team knows what it takes to care for the people in their most critical moments. That's what this facility here is designed to do. This is a place where individuals facing a behavioral health crisis will find high-quality, compassionate care delivered by people who are trained, equipped, and committed to guiding patients to healing. And where care is located matters. When people can be treated closer to home, they're likely to stay connected to their families, stay engaged in their care, and continue forward in their recovery. What we're opening here today makes that possible. It expands access to care for patients across Iowa and Nebraska and creates a setting where that care can continue beyond the initial crisis with programs and services that care for patients throughout their continuum of their healing journey. Methodist Jennie Edmundson Behavioral Health is the result of a powerful partnership between Methodist Jennie Edmundson Hospital and Acadia Healthcare, bringing together deep local commitment and national behavioral health expertise. When we open our doors next month, this 96-bed hospital will begin addressing a significant gap in care across western Iowa and eastern Nebraska. This is a place built for healing, serving children, adolescents, adults, and seniors with inpatient and outpatient services designed to meet people where they are. A place where care is compassionate, where treatment is evidence-based, where recovery is possible. Our purpose is clear. We are here to lead care with light. And none of this happens without great people dedicated to delivering quality, compassionate care. So I want to take a moment to recognize the physicians, nurses, therapists, care team members, and support staff who will illuminate paths to healing every day for those who are fortunate to serve. You are the heart of this hospital. I got to see it in the last few days, 2 days, I guess, watching it go to work yesterday. You're the heart of this hospital and the reason it will make a meaningful difference in the lives of so many throughout the region. I'd also like to thank and recognize the elected officials, some of who I know in my previous role, and their designees who are with us today and whose support, leadership, and commitment have helped make this facility possible. Also joining us, haven't yet met her, is Paula Hazelwood, CEO of the Advanced Southwest Iowa Corporation, a public-private partnership focused on advancing economic growth and opportunity in the region. I don't know where Paula is. She's probably here somewhere. We're grateful for your partnership, everyone, and for the role each of you has played in expanding access to the behavioral health care across this region. That said, we have a great program for you this morning. You'll hear from leaders representing Acadia Healthcare, Methodist Health System, Methodist Jennie Edmundson Hospital, and the Council Bluffs Chamber of Commerce, each of whom played an important role in making today possible. And then we'll cut the ribbon and start the tours.